We are proud to share that School has been awarded first place for shaping future-ready schools through digital leadership at the National Educators Summit, NAVADRISHTI, held at Kristu Jayanti College, Bengaluru. This recognition is not just an achievement, it is a reflection of our purpose. A purpose where learning is experienced, not just taught. Where classrooms transform into spaces of exploration, creation, and innovation. Where students don't just learn technology, they use it, they apply it, and they lead with it. At School, we nurture learners to become thinkers, problem solvers, creators, and confident digital citizens. Every lab, every project, every experience is designed to build skills that matter. Skills that help students adapt, evolve, and thrive in a changing world. This recognition strengthens our belief that when education is meaningful, learning becomes powerful. School, learners become unstoppable.